Hello. Being able to write accurate information also means we have to have a solid grasp of how we use different types of punctuation in our work. So, whilst we may feel that using most types of punctuation is something we are comfortable with, it never hurts to remind ourselves of the rules. So, when using full stops, what do we need to remember? So, obviously, they are used to indicate the end of a sentence. So, for example, today is great, full stop. It ends that idea. You could also use full stops for abbreviations. So abbreviations are used to indicate where a word has been shortened. So, for example, the USA is an abbreviation for the United States of America. Remember, if the abbreviation appears at the end of the sentence, you do not need to add two full stops. You could also think about when you use brackets. So, as a general rule, brackets cannot be used as a sentence on their own. So, the full stop should be used at the end of the full sentence. Today is a great day in the USA because everyone loves Monday. Full stop outside the brackets. With speech marks, all punctuation used with speech marks must go inside them. So this includes the full stop. So once again, today's a great day, full stop with inside the speech marks. What about question marks, for instance? Well, again, these are always used at the end of a sentence to demonstrate the question has been asked. A question mark replaces a full stop at the end of the sentence, as we said. So where are we? Question mark. Due to the fact that the question mark ends a sentence, do remember that words after it must be capitalized. How is that fair? Question mark. It isn't. Capital I. So hopefully that's been of use to you. Again, just feel free to practice away on those skills. Thank you. Good luck.